You've probably heard a lot about the power of manifestation and visualization. They say you can make your dreams come true through these techniques, but here's the catch. If you don't do them right, they might not work as well or as quickly as you'd like. It's like a secret recipe. Get it wrong, and the results won't be as tasty. But don't worry, I've got you covered. I've made a video where I spill the beans on how to nail the art of manifesting and visualizing. So, if you're curious and eager to make those dreams a reality, go ahead and check out my previous videos. They're like a step-by-step guide to creating the life you want through manifestation. In this video, I am about to share with you the technique introduced by Neville Goddard and his techniques. The technique shared by Neville Goddard is called I Am Reality. See, the thing many people don't realize is that they can create and turn their desire into reality. To visualize effectively is the key. The philosophical assertion made by Neville Goddard is that if you have to visualize that as it is a reality. Many of us make the mistake of visualizing as imagining stuff or the things we want. We imagine having desires in our life. Let's say we want money. We just imagine having money. But to visualize, my friend, is a different thing. Life is like a game, and to play a game. We play this game every day, and since every game has its own rules and regulation, life also has its own. However, the rules are simple. So, focus on these words I am about to say for a few minutes, and I guarantee you that this technique will change the way you create your life. The way to direct your life towards success is in your hand. You are a universe within yourself. You are the creator. You have God within yourself. Human imagination is the creator of everything. Have you noticed that everything that has come to this universe, the man-made things, came into someone's mind before becoming a reality? Without the power of imagination, human life would not have been possible. I am saying all of these so that you will be able to understand how the world works and how powerful a human imagination is. The phenomena of life are produced by imagination. We imagine things every day throughout the day. An interesting thing is that we can use that imagining power to create a life of our desire. So, to imagine and visualize the desires into reality, first, we need to understand how to visualize. We need to learn the fundamental rule of how to visualize. According to Neville Goddard, the basic and primary rule is to have an objective. Having an objective means setting up a goal, figuring out what you want in life, the wishes and desires that we eagerly want to turn into reality. Many of us, especially people who are into spirituality through religion, have a habit of praying. Visualization is not much different from praying. While praying, we hope to turn our subjective reality into objective. But in visualization, we feel the emotions. We feel the texture. We feel the desire to be real. We live in the future. We feel the spiritual sensation. Then, how do we do that? How do we feel the sensation? How do we visualize the future reality? The reality that has not happened yet. This is where the Neville Goddard technique comes in handy. Assuming reality. Let's say you want money right now. Now feel the texture of the money. You can feel the texture. You can imagine the texture of a bill in your hand. In the same way, you can feel the texture of a silk cloth. Sure, let me break it down for you more simply and engagingly. Alright, let's try something cool. Imagine you're holding a soft silk cloth in your hand. Can you feel its smoothness? Now, picture yourself holding a tennis ball. Can you sense its bumpy texture? You can experience these feelings even without touching the stuff. Just by thinking about them, you can feel how they might feel. But that's not all. Your imagination can do even more. Think about a delicious fruit. Can you almost taste its sweetness in your mind? Or how about a fragrant flower? Can you imagine smelling its lovely scent? And when you think about sounds, like a bird's song or the laughter of your friends, you can almost hear them, right? Our imagination lets us explore a whole world of sensations. even ones we've never experienced before. It's like our secret superpower for telling things apart and understanding the world in a whole new way. When we imagine things, when we visualize things, we see things through our mind's eye. We can imagine and visualize things without even actually feeling them in reality. That is because it already exists there somewhere in the universe. Now, to attract what we want in life, to turn our desires into reality, we need to use that superpower. The superpower that helps us to distinguish between reality and imagination, and use the power of the law of assumption to turn desires into reality. Now, to visualize things, you need to calm your mind at first. Take a few deep breaths and feel your breath. Go into a state of calm. Relax and sit in a comfortable place where you feel easy and breathable. Now, when you completely feel calm and start to hear your breath by yourself, you have reached a calm state in your mind. Now imagine the things you want in life, the desires you want them to be real. That could be money, a promotion, a dream car, anything that you want in life. For now, let's say you want money. Visualize that you have money in your hand. Remember, you can feel the texture. You can smell that $20 bill, the texture against your hand. Now feel that. Feel the emotions. What would you do if you had a $20 bill in real life right now? Would not you be happy? You would, but you don't have that in real life right now. But you can imagine it, can't you? Just the way you imagine a tennis ball or a silk cloth. Here, the tricky part is you have to feel the emotions as well. Along with the senses, you have to feel the happiness that you will feel after having that money. Remember, $20 is just an example. You can ask for any amount of money, as much as you can. The thing is, you need to believe in the universe, that whatever you are visualizing right now is real. You have to feel happiness, feel the emotions. Visualize the things you would do if you had that money. The tricky part of visualization is to assume that whatever your desires are, whatever you are visualizing or imagining right now is in front of you. Imagine you want something like a dream vacation. Now, close your eyes and pretend that vacation is happening right in front of you. You're not just thinking about it. It's like it's happening now. You're not just waiting for the future. You're living that dream right at this moment. It's like you are time traveling, but not to tomorrow. You're bringing the tomorrow here today. You're like your future self, enjoying that vacation or whatever you desire, and you're doing it right now. It's all about feeling and believing that what you want is already real, and you're experiencing it in the present. When we materialize our imagination's images, they have the power to manifest in the concrete world. The crucial aspect is our mental attitude. Our brain's incredible capacities are mind-boggling. Our goals become achievable once we recognize this potential and learn the art of vision. The critical stage is to imagine our intended outcomes as though they are already actually present, using our imaginative faculties. As a result, the universe works together to make these dreams a reality. As participants in the creative process of the universe, our mind's eye is a tremendous tool. We may attain whatever objective we set out to pursue by visualizing the translation of our goals into tangible realities. Always remember that we are the co-creator of our reality, and we can shape the life we live as we desire. The superpower is in our hands. Visualization and manifestation are just a medium to connect to the universe. The universe that will bring our every desire into reality. So believe in the power that you behold within yourself and create the desired reality that you have always wanted.